Good morning, it's Thursday, December the 13th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases before the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, there are a ton of press releases on the wires today, but there were only 5 good enough to make the cut. So what AGORACOM does for you each and every day is separate the wheat from the chaff. So I've got 2 from the States, 3 from Canada. First one I have for you is Solar Power, which trades on the OTC BB under the symbol SOPW. They've got big news as they announce a contract which is worth approximately $23 million. So big numbers coming out of there. Solar Power Inc. Has a contract to power 10 schools in the Santa Rosa City School District, again, which is worth $23 million. The company goes on to further provide revenue guidance for 2008, which is over $60 million. Very significant number again. What they're going to do for those 10 schools is convert 10 of the district schools to photovoltaic solar electric systems. Again, what we like about this company is that it's one of those alternative energy companies, very environmentally friendly, and that seems to be the flavor of the day. So not only do we have great revenues, we've got a great industry. Solar Power Inc. was founded in 2005. It's a vertically integrated solar energy solution provider offering the North American residential, commercial, and public sector building markets a complete solution through a single brand. It's currently trading at $3.20, and it's off its 52-week high of $5. The other thing that I forgot to mention about this is that this company also has its plant in China, and you know how much we love those Chinese companies. Great company, big revenues, and looks like great contracts. Looks like they're going to in for a big 2008. Next one I've got for you is an AGORACOM client. So disclaimer, AGORACOM client, please do your due diligence on this company. The company is called Kinbauri Gold. It trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol KNB. Looks like they've got some great preliminary results as they have intersected 57 grams per ton of gold and 11.5% copper over 1.4 meters. So very concentrated, very significant numbers. It's over 1.4 meters, but again, these are great preliminary results. The initial drill results from the underground diamond drilling infill program are at El Val and its ongoing exploratory diamond drill program at El Val and at Carlas in Spain. Other results include 21 meters of 3.58 grams per ton of gold. So we got a little more. We've got a little more depth here at 21.75 meters and almost 4 grams per ton of gold. So those are good numbers. Kinbauri is a TSX Venture Tier 1 mineral exploration company focused on the development of mineral properties, preliminary precious metal prospects in northwestern Spain, Nevada, and Canada. It's at 50 cents off its 52-week high of $1. Next one I have for, and this is one a lot of people have been waiting for, Nooran Resources, which trades on TSX Venture under the symbol NOT. Again, disclaimer time, this is an AGORACOM client. They put out several assays from their Double Eagle project in the McFalls Lake area of northeastern Ontario. I'm just going to give you some of the highlights because it's a very long press release, so I can't do it justice by giving you all the details here. So definitely go check it out on the web under the symbol NOT on the venture. Hole 14 return results of 34 meters that averaged 1.2% copper, 2.2% nickel, 1.6 grams per ton of platinum, 4.1 grams of palladium, and 0.14 grams per ton of gold. Next hole I've got for you is hole 16, which was 12.7 meters, averaging 1.5% copper, 2.4% nickel, 2.6 grams per ton of platinum, 5.1 grams per ton of palladium, 0.12 grams per ton of gold, and 4.5 grams per ton of silver. So very concentrated, highly mineralized, a number of different metals in these holes. So these holes are worth a lot of money. And I've got a quote here from Richard Nemes, President and CEO, where it states, in addition, preliminary analytical work on selected samples for other platinum group elements, or PGEs, suggests that rhodium is also present in the Eagle 1 occurrence. This could add significant value to the zone's resource potential. So again, in addition to all those other metals and minerals that I discussed, we've got the potential of rhodium being in there, which could significantly increase the resource's value. They're last at $4.78 off their 52-week high of $7.05. Keep your eye on this story as it's an emerging story and company and seems to be the darling of Bay Street because everybody's talking about it. Next one I have for you is Amerix Precious Metals Corporation, which trades on the venture under the symbol APM. Amerix reported 10.2 grams per ton over 10.7 meters at their Uru-Roxwell project. They've drilled 28 holes to date for a total of more than 4,500 meters at their project in Brazil. And within that, the aforementioned 10 meters and 10 grams per ton of gold, they've got two zones within this interval of 17.2 grams per ton over 3 meters and 14.1 grams per ton of gold over 4 meters. So again, we've got more concentration within those smaller zones. And this is something for you potential investors to make a note of. Visible gold is present in some of these analyzed cores as well as other cores that await assay. So obviously a good sign if you can see it with the naked eye. Amerix Precious Metals Corporation is an Ontario company exploring for precious metals in Brazil. Last at 40 cents, off their 52-week high of 63 cents. And the last one I have for you is an OTC BB company. Again, disclaimer time, this company is an AGORACOM client, AlphaRX, which trades under the symbol ALRX. What I like about this is that we've got the CEO going into the open market to buy shares from the company. CEO Michael Lee purchased 500,000 shares of his company for a second large stock purchase in 30 days. So that's his second large stock purchase. The first large stock purchase that he made was 1 million shares of his company for an average price of 17 cents. So in the past 60 days, he's accumulated over 1.5 million shares of the company. I got a quote from the CEO Michael Lee, which states, "I strongly believe that our share price is severely undervalued given the progress we have demonstrated in our nanotechnology drug delivery platform, Vansilin. Lee noted intended for the treatment of nosocomial pneumonia is now on track to enter human trials in 2008 and has a potential market value of $3.6 billion. Lee concluded his comments by saying, "We have 4 nanoproducts in the development pipeline with an estimated annual market sales potential of over $6 billion in sales." Obviously very aggressive numbers, at least that's what the market's worth, but we're hoping, or at least Michael Lee is hoping to get a little piece of that, and if he can, obviously the company is going to be worth a heck of a lot more. But obviously showing great confidence going into the open market and buying companies, or buying shares of his company, of which he owns approximately 13.5% of the company right now. AlphaRX is a specialty pharmaceutical company utilizing proprietary site-specific nanoparticle drug delivery systems to develop novel formulations of drugs that are insoluble or poorly soluble in water or have yet to be administered to the human body with an acceptable delivery method. It's last at 21 cents off its 52-week high of 22 cents. That's a wrap for today. Make sure you tune in tomorrow when we've got great press releases for you.